Tembane from Top Traders South Africa, and I'm bringing you guys another installment of Market Masters with myself, where I sit down with the most talented individuals in the game. And today, we're shooting here at the XM offices, XM educational offices. If you guys want free courses, a free full Forex course, you guys can use the link in the description below to sign up for a Forex course, which is held here every day at 3 o'clock in Sandton. So yeah, guys, please do use the link for a free Forex course, and you don't have to pay a cent. All you need to do is have an account with XM, and simple as that. And yeah, and I promise you guys that there's a quality course. But today, you guys have requested for him to come back. He's been here before, but you guys are like, yo, we need more. We've got the king of fundamentals in the building. We've got Minister of Soft Life in the building.
Hola.
We've got Eazy Forex in the building. Yeah, Fede?
Sure.
Yeah, no, Fede. No, shout out for coming through. I'm excited for this. A lot of people have really been saying, "It's yo, Joe. We need Eazy to come and talk."
Yeah.
Yeah, but
because I last time manish. Angitsa ngoJayelanga la camera.
Yeah, so definitely I think today I second and like it's the third time, and like because we shot the first time, that didn't get released. We shot the second time, we released that one. Yeah. So third time. So yabona guys. So I think today it's the charm. Namhlanje. Yeah, everything is above board. Everything is above board. No, but I'm really excited because I think the king of fundamental part is it's part of your brand. That's correct. And I don't trade fundamentals, but okay, I've traded fundamentals a few times before, but like I know there are people out there who are always curious with some fundamentals, how do they work and all that, but we'll get into that. But like people want to know who Eazy Forex is. Maybe I know your people are here watching. I know you guys are here watching. Yeah, I know a lot of people know your story, but like just for the sake of those who don't know your story, let's just go back a little bit, Kancane. Elite days before Forex.
Yeah, so basically Eazy Forex from a Fosloras like Israel. Yeah. So back then, before Forex, I was a DJ and also a politician.
Hey.
Yeah. Then moku isikhathi ngangena nokuba upastor nyana. Yeah, fit. Yeah. So yonke into that I understand because bengile type vele engazwana nesikela. So umuntu bengithanda isikolo, but ngile esikolweni angisho ukuthi ngingayofunda. Ngiyakuthola. Ngileskela but believe education system, so every time bengifuna like ukuyenza into different than wonke umuntu. Yeah, so after DJ ngiyabona ukuthi imali ayingene la yangithola because there were times uthola gig ngo 10 o'clock, so you had to walk manje yabona ama distance ama 30 minutes ebusuku ngabona ukuthi it doesn't work. Then ilanga cala understand ukuthi okay yinto engayenza like ukuthi ngikhone ukusucceed as a person, then angena vele ngoba bukusesa ama mixed lapho bothi BBM ilanga cala khona ukutrade in that era yama BBM, you understand. But bengisese ama demo ngakaza understand. Bokunomunye ugele nje benginokumbona kuma Facebook ayenza lezi zinto lezi. But there bokusese yini IQ options, if I'm not mistaken, no binary bokusese zo. Then ilanga aba interested to go Forex, then ilanga ichene yami yaqala khona ya Forex.
Yo, I know BBM mixed days, but that's a lifetime ago, yo.
So cala ukutrade mfethu man, lento le basa believer kulezi zinto zama triple M. Kuleyo era leyo. Ilanga understand ngithi like yini triple M ngifuna understand triple M, then ilanga understand okay I think it's similar to Forex, but bona ukuthi nje bayenza ngama pay and pay yabo into ezinjalo. Yeah, so mina ngagain more information ngani Forex nakhona ngigene through umama because umama bakaphila ngama triple M. Uyabona ama pyramid scheme. Then ngamtshela because sometimes there were times ukuthi abuye nemali kusasa ngiwe ndika nakudla yaliwe umagogo imali yakhe ihambile yabona angabona ngathi hayi kumele sithole indlela different. Then ke ngangena ku forex ke ngacala ukubachazisela endlini nabo nge forex ukuthi yini. Then after lapho waba interested uma olady noma gogo then ba support journey yami ye forex.
And actually your mom is very supportive actually. It's very supportive. No, because I remember last when you had the seminar, she was there as well. And I know Guti, she's been part of your journey. I've always seen here and there Guti, like your mom's been supportive of your journey.
Mangithi kumele ubadlise soft life abone la ukuthi khona. That's all.
Okay, so DJing. By the way, the DJing never failed. It just took time, right? So this is early days now. So I want to know, uqala ukufunda kanjani forex? Because like what essentially happens, a lot of people are exposed to a lot of information. So where did you start actually? Like ijourney yakho actually iqale kuphi exactly?
So forex ngaba ne information nge forex back in primary ne. I think it was 2008
primary.
Back in primary. And so yakshela mfethu phela mina from primary yabona kulezi zinto lezo inama entrepreneur day. Bengihlale ngithengisa lapho from lapho. You understand? So kaba nalento ukuthi kuba namajita abafana nabo cash flow. So then like bengiba interested ukuthi hawu labantu laba imali bayithola kanjani yabona. Then that's when akhona lapho like ukuthi ngibe interested ku forex ibuild khona kakhulu because yabona amajita bawapush lifestyle yabo kakhulu. So bengiba interested ukuthi hawu lo muntu wenzani kanti vele mengithi hayi ila sengicala ukuchange from binary to vele straight forex trading after amajita lapho. So ijourney yami kahle ngasho ukuthi yaqala ngazi nge forex around 2008 but my journey started by 2010 la. So where did you get where did you get your information from when you started? My guy, it was tough. Angazi. It's like basically when angazi ngayibeka kanjani mara since ngiqala forex ne like bokune cousin yami beyisebenza like umasipala into ezinjalo. So bengana access yama computer nanani. So each and every time ngidinga like I topic thola ngivula platform because obviously uma uvula platform ubona ama charts ubona into eziningi ama numbers and stuff. So manje after lapho thola ngiunderstand ukuthi okay kunama numbers then ngitshela ubhudo wami lapha ukuthi okay ngicela ungidownloadele like maybe I video kubo YouTube into ezinjalo ekhuluma maybe about ama charts. Then ila understand ukuthi what is a candlestick. Yabona manje kulula amajita amaningi ukuthi what is a candlestick. Mina I had to research ukuthi lento lengiyibona la. You understand? So ngiyaqala kanjalo ubhudo wami ngisupport ukuthi ngitholela ama video from kule office bakaspanela kule masipala angidownloadela ama topics into ezinjalo. So kuyisikhathi nje ngiunderstand what is ama moving average then ngiyenza research nge moving average ukuthi what is a moving average yenzani into ezinjalo. So that's where information eningi ayithola is a forex.
Sure. No. And how long did this whole process take you? Like
man, I think 4 years to master everything.
It
was like 4 years. Because I remember 2014, that's where I started like risking about $50, $10. That's where I started risking money around 2014. Then 2015, 2016, that's where my journey of eating forex money started. You understand?
I like how you're saying it started there, but the journey of the eating.
I get the new traders, they only want to eat now. Abafuna ukusafara, abafuna understand the information le forex mele bayithola. You understand? All of them, it's all about living a nice life, but they do not want to understand ukuthi yini involved with forex trading.
That's true. And I've noticed you are actually someone who's very passionate about speaking to the new forex traders actually. I've noticed ukuthi reason why I'm asking is that like essentially it just seems like in as much as there's a new wave of traders, it seems like there's a lot of things that What would you say to them, particularly because like it just seems like a lot of them are coming with the wrong mindset?
Yeah, bheka since vele trade fundamental abantu abaningi nakhona bay understand lento enyenzayo bayithatha as a gambling into ezinjalo
yes.
And manje angeke ngibablame because I've discovered a secret nge-fundamental trading. So kule new generation I problem yabo bafuna ukuyenza like 100,000 bangaze bayenze 100 rand before. You understand? And manje mabeza kithi baza ngalawo ma mentality, and even nalama forex traders akhona manje our like abatshela abantu iqiniso ngeforex kuthi mfethu forex you can lose, you can win. Anything can happen. You understand? So that's why ngihlale ngilwa na, because even nama student wami now lawo ma student mawaza game awazi nge-mentality ukuthi afuna ukufunda forex. Anale mentality ukuthi I just want to be rich. You understand? Then ucabana qala lapho ukuthi mukubi signal ihambe wrong sesiyalo. You understand? Then now ila ama-mentor amaningi sawabiza ukuthi ama-scam because of abantu baleke knowledge. And manje nakhona most of them sabarashela like ukuphila lifestyle more than ukufundisa abantu what is forex basically. Yeah, so I think into esiyenza silo mina nama clients wami or nama followers wami kakhulu, because mina at the end of the day I know how to trade. I understand. And it's not like uthi umuntu makubungibhadalile saka ngi-own. You understand? Like I can survive without any subscriptions because I have mastered the charts on my own. You understand? So manje umuntu makaza nge-mentality ukuthi hayi mina ngibhadalile mele ngiwini into ezinjalo iyabona ngisheshe like inhliziyo yami isheshe iphele. That's why ngihlale nje ngilwa nabo ngithi ayisebenzi so lento isebenza kanje.
Show them right. No, like I said at the beginning of the interview, go to fundamentals. You call yourself the king of fundamentals. Wait. So essentially, okay, let's start like this, because essentially I know a lot of traders, like you said, you actually said something very crucial. You were like saying, a lot of people tend to see fundamental trading as gambling. So, but before you get to that, what is fundamental trading? Let's start there and break it down for the people.
Okay, so basically fundamental trading, it's when you trade ama news events ayenzakala ekhantrini. For an example, let's say gross domestic product is a South African law. Obviously, it's a signal that the economy is not performing. So lapho starts advantage and we sell according to the news release. But the secret is you have to know the news release before they happen. You understand? Yeah. So that's where my strategy comes in. Yeah.
Wait. No. So what you're basically saying is that there's a way to know before the news release.
Yeah.
Is what you're saying?
Yeah, there's a way, my guy.
No, I must ask these questions because essentially people are gonna be like, "Hey, Eazy says he knows news before they're gonna happen." So basically, you're saying that's your strategy across the board, where NFP or NZD interest rates, whatnot. So, but how do you even get to that point right now of getting to the point of knowing, actually, because essentially you've built a strategy over time, correct? Yeah, but what are some of the mistakes you've made along the way while building your strategy?
My guy, like any other business, in order to business yakho ibe sustainable, kuba nama mistakes ayenzakalayo. So mina ama mistakes engibe ngaba nawo ilawo manje ama traders awafaceayo basically ukuthi I think ukuthi they can be rich overnight. I understand that risking not you it's risking what you cannot afford to lose. These lezo kuphela nje ama mistake engibe now. Then
so basically you've risked what you couldn't afford to lose before. And what happened? Give us a scenario story.
My man, yes, mina angeke ngisho ukuthi kenga risk imali eningi because yabona ngibuya ku background like imali vele bengekho. So bukule imali ezincane abo 100 rand yabona. And
but that was money to you at that time.
It was a lot of money because imali yesinkwa imali yokuthenga yokuthenga inyama endlini yabona. So obviously kumele ngijuthe umagogo sometimes ngite magogo kuso la kune NFP namhlanje.
Okay.
Ngomboleka i200
Yeah.
Amagogo anginike abone senginyama le. Ngibuya ngabo 8 ebusuku mfethu. Yaza NFP ngishayile la. Yeah. So you are my risk engibe ngawafisa but mokuyisikhathi ngamastara because every time ngicede ukuluza I used to go back and understand ukuthi yini engenze ngilose la.
Okay.
Then next month maybe ngizo trade or I won't trade next month depending ukuthi ngiyoba nginemali kanjani. But if I do not trade like being refer ukuthi okay indaba zenze so last month zenze so and that's where I started developing different strategies in terms of trading the fundamentals.
So you've always been fundamental trading, no technical trading.
Remember, go binary it was only technical on binary. So I started trading technically basically before fundamental.
Yeah.
But technical was too slow, my guy, I won't lie. That's why there are many scammers today.
No, I actually understand what you're saying because essentially a part of me also feels like my fundamentals are slow in this sense because it's not trading news every day, and I know I'm actually I want to be in the market every day. You understand? Yeah. So like, how do you actually essentially get to a point of making money over time? Because essentially, some people feel like if you're not in the markets every day, I'll end in mine.
Nah. I mean, this month I think I traded only 4 times so far, and I've made a lot of money. Serious?
Simple, guys. Simple. Yeah.
So
no, but you see, you understand, right? What I'm actually trying to ask is that I want to understand the money management part of it. So, and I want to talk to Eazy now. I want to talk to Eazy a couple of years back.
Okay.
Because you've built something to be who you are today. So now my understanding is that, so maybe there's like how many news events in a month out of 20 trading days? Maybe there's like 4 times. You're going to trade 4 times, 5 times in a month. So you only have 4 or 5 times in a month to make money.
Yeah.
And even during those 4 to 5 times when you need to make money, it's a risk either way. Yeah. So how did you deal with money coming in and then knowing you need to wait for the next news event?
Okay. So basically, it's an example.
Yeah.
Let's say there's NFP this month. Yeah. We are trading NFP and you have like 1,000 rand. Then so that's 100 rand. Then that 100 rand ngifaka ku trading account.
Okay.
Then I go full margin.
Sure.
So if it happens I win, I can make 1,000% more.
Okay.
Or 500% depending on the movement, but normally let's just say you can make 3 times more because so from risking 100 rand you can make 300 rand.
Okay.
So I know good. Okay, I have how much, manja? 400 rand. Then I can withdraw 200. Then the next news event I do the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah, so I can take 200 rand to 1,000 rand. Yeah.
Okay, I see. So how do you actually choose your news events right now? Because like essentially, I will open up an economic calendar. Yeah. There's news for days there. So how do you choose your news events?
Yeah. So here's what people do not understand about fundamental. Fundamentals are just like a weatherman.
Okay.
When you are watching news, how do you know what tomorrow is going to rain?
Okay, weather.
Yeah, but weather. How do they know?
Well, obviously there's equipment, science. There's a science behind it.
Yeah, kune strategy nabo basebenzisa to good to understand. So nami into engenzayo, understand. So normally ngichecka indaba ezine impact kuma country. You understand? Just like USA, siyazi ukuthi USA i-too focused ukuthi is the best country, you understand? And obviously indaba ezo move or ezoba more aggressive employment changes, you understand, just like NFPs. So izinto engizichecka then ngibheka 3 months ago history yalezo indaba, because every time when you open a trading calendar uyabona ukuthi okay, it happened February, it happened January. So ngiyabuyela kuma previous history ngibheka ukuthi okay, le ndaba lezi besichieved. Then after lapho ngiyayimarka ukuthi okay, this one I can trade. Kanjalo.
Yeah.
then ngiyaqhubeka ngenza the same thing ku other currencies and other pairs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So angazi ngithola.
No, I'm with you. I'm just I'm also processing again at the same time, because like essentially for me, I'm not a fan of fundamental trading, and I'll be honest, because no, I'll be honest on that one, you know. But also for me, it's and as much as good see Yasha goes, essentially, when Obama got elected, no, I'm lying. There was a time there was an election I traded, a US election I traded, whatnot, and I made money that day. I think the market was like what, $20 to $40.
Yeah.
And I made money that day, but unfortunately I lost it, obviously, because because I didn't know what I was doing. In my head, I thought trading was just you watch the news and you trade. I thought that was, and I did that day. I remember, President, they were announcing. I was there. I was trading. Don't ask me what. I think I was just trading Euro USD, and you understand. A lot of people actually think that is what fundamental trading is.
Yeah.
They think, you need to watch the news, and while you're watching the news, yeah.
Yeah, but in terms of my election, I think into uyenza. But in terms of unemployment change,
oh no, it's not the case.
See, like understand the economy corner. Yeah. Research then after lapo.
But what's the right way? Where's the right places to actually get your research and things like that?
You pay for that information.
It's like, hey, my strategy. No, guys, I'll take. It's fine, but it's fine.
I'll pay a patala.
You say you look at your 3 months before, you analyze the chart. So how do you essentially decide on a pair to trade? Because I think that is also something that hits a lot of people, is choosing the right pair to trade. And as much as in the States right now, with the NFP is going to move the dollar, but essentially the dollar is paired with there and there. So how do you actually get to a place of choosing the right pair?
Yeah, so mina into engiyenzayo ngibheka ama spreads.
Okay.
So ipair ena lower spreads iyo ngitrader kakhulu.
Okay.
But normally let's say for an example USD JPY and Euro USD wonke azomova ngokufana, but inkinga kuba ama spreads sometimes. Abantu abangunderstand ama spreads, like ama cost more open trade.
Yeah.
So during a news event ama brokers ilana wathatha advantage ukuthi akhulisa ama spreads, I understand now ukuthi azokhona ukwenza imali. Yeah, so mina ngibheka yabona ama pairs ama spreads amancane.
Okay.
Then that's where I choose then trader one.
Okay. Yeah. So how does one actually control? Because essentially, like I said, fundamental trading and gambling are kind of closely associated because people. So how does somebody actually control risk during while trading fundamentals? Risk control kanjani?
My guy, as I explained before, let's say on 1,000 rand.
Yeah.
And you only want to risk 100 rand. You only deposit 100 rand in your trading account, and 900 rand you save it on your wallet. Then you go full margin on on
the news event.
Yeah. On the 100 rand. So if it happens you lost, you know very well good. You still have 9 chances on making money. And nakona, if you win, you're going to make 3 times more. So you can lose 2 times. Then the third one, you recover everything and you make an extra 100 rand. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's how I keep my risk management using my fundamental strategy.
Yeah, you went there risking all the news events.
Not manje ukuthi 30,000 yokugcina uyariska then asoplog account. So into eningi emoshana kule industry, because namachita lawa trade fundamentally I trade because I understand. I trader as in ngayibeka kanjani yini bayibiza ngani I-trend bathanda trend.
And let's talk about that actually. Yeah, because essentially you're touching on something important, because essentially I feel like it's just something to sell whatever, because I don't think everyone trades fundamentals. I think a lot of people really trade technical analysis. It's not about the fundamentals. So how do you feel about that whole thing? So you're saying people don't actually understand what they're trading?
Majority, yeah. Because in thing I understand meaning like in order for me to develop a strategy as a fundamental, because maybe in the past 2 years the fundamental is a fund manje. So each and every time mailings are develop a strategy.
Yes.
So that's why nale era ye Nasdaq may figure and kichimanga ngaya go Nasdaq. Ya kumbula like most traders trade Nasdaq pel. I stick to fundamental. That's why you be able to master fundamental. Okay. Yeah, so I think ama traders amaningi afuna like ukuthengisa more than ukutrade.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
So that's why every time ba kichimeli trend. Yabona for an example like play coffee.
Yes.
Ashangi piano mesela saka kichimeli piano.
Oh yeah.
Stick to one thing and yamsebenzela. So nami ngibheka kubantu abafana no play coffee ngifake empilweni yami forex.
Yeah.
Ukuthi stick to one thing izokusebenzela. Because I've tried the technical. I'm telling you, my guy, even today I was going to be the biggest scammer. If I never knew fundamental, my guy, I was gonna scam.
What are you saying about technical traders now? Is he's calling technical traders a scam?
I mean, it's good a scam, but in order for you to go to trade the technical, I think you need to have a lot of money. You understand? So if fundamentally na le gap with what you have ungayenza so much, you understand? Because I remember breakthrough being the man, but I only had the last $19 in my account.
Yeah.
Then that's where I found my breakthrough after lap.
Sure.
You understand? So technical, it's rare, my friend. It's rare. You'll trade until you just $19.
I agree with you. I agree with you because essentially technical and fundamentals are very different. Because like on the technical basis and risk is totally different compared to what fundamental. Because what you're saying right now is that with $100 account from fundamental to technical, it's very different because with a technical side, that's you risk from 5%, 2%. But what you're saying is that with fundamentals, you're risking the full $100 in one moment.
Yeah.
So how do you deal with? Because essentially, you know, brokers tend to increase spread during news events. Does that happen to you?
Yeah. So basically, in strategy is developed is without spread manipulation. So in order, if broker may increase the spread.
Yes.
Basically mina ngenza imali nami esayidini lami. You understand? So ngibona igap ibroker le ezama ukusimanipulate ngayo. Then ngisebenzisa against bona.
Okay.
But nakhona I will only make money if the direction nakhona it's correct.
So it's also dependent on the correct direction.
But you can make money before, let's say 10 seconds before the news. But obviously, if the direction is wrong, you wipe everything. Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, no, I understand. I totally understand. So easy. You trade. So what time frame are you looking at?
It's 15 minutes and 1 minute.
15 minutes and 1 minute. Yeah. So things happen really quickly.
Man, it takes only 10 seconds. Only 10 seconds to change your life. 10. I understand. It's either it breaks you or it makes you. Inshallah.
And then you wait for the next month to see if that's the case. Yeah. So you said you traded 4 events this month. What was it?
But this month it was not really a good month. It was NFP, CPI. I forgot the other 2. The other one is interest rate, GDP.
GDP.
And in New Zealand.
Oh, yeah.
So it was only 50-50, man. I lost 2 and I won 2.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm still profitable.
That is all that matters.
That's the power fundamental.
Simple as that.
Yeah.
What data do you draw? Because essentially what you're saying right now is that you go back like 3 months, or when you go do e-back testing for my fundamentals, basically you look at what happened, and then like, is there any specific extra data that you look at, like your geopolitics? Isn't as in Jalo? Because you did speak about research.
Yeah, so basically into engiyisebenzisa kakhulu ama forex53 investing.coms lawo ma platforms nama broker normal ayinokukusendela indaba but abantu baba ignorant ngithi kuma emails broker man some brokers are broker right afuna abantu babo ba succeed then some brokers are bafuna nje badliwe because majority of brokers ama big books so
that's true.
They only make money if a client I lose big book so when a client iba profitable go by a problem kuma broker.
Yeah, that's true. Specifically to book brokers. No, I get right now. Or it's not particularly like new, but like it's obviously a lot of people talk book brokers now. So essentially, a lot of brokers not all the brokers, but let me just use the term some brokers. Next thing I want to get into trouble here. Some brokers essentially like they take their profitable clients and they put them
straight.
But liquidity provider. But essentially a lot of them there's a lot of people brokers, but there's also like successful people brokers by Shaya into yabo, correct? So is a book broker the worst thing ever? Because like essentially, and thing is, on industry chats now we speak about this, and I think talking to a lot of people, you actually you come to realize that a B-book broker makes more money than an A-book broker.
Yeah,
that's true, and it's people just running businesses at the end of the day.
Than the actual shop.
So what has Forex actually done for your life? Like enabled you? Because like, hey, now we are coming to Minister of Soft Life now.
My favorite. I want Forex. Forex like you change impilo yam, like you change the weighing view impilo ngakhona. And if Forex ingifundise like ukuthi travel uphile impilo yakho and nakhona just be free, you understand? Ne freedom is ne Forex and like unga achieve many things funding from a Forex, you understand? Because siyaleka like in terms yabona in South Africa like it's very hard ukuthi ama banks are sponsor. You understand? Like let's say my business proposal, ufuni funding, and I'm a bank normal our nigi lula. So if Forex into ingcedile mina like ingisizile ukuthi ngikhona develop more businesses.
Okay, sure. Nah, that's powerful though. That's powerful. And the thing is, guys, Eazy's a celebrity, guys. Now be honest. Like even right now, bro, we shooting, but hey, guys are like, yo, bro, I've been waiting to meet you. But bro, what you've already done, you really do inspire a lot of people, and I big up with that. And what I actually like about you is you're very straight. And guys, if you ever get a chance to have Eazy on your WhatsApp, get him for a status work. Because it goes down there. So you also offer services as well, you know. So what are some of the hassles that you deal with when working with my clients? Like what are some things that people need to change in their mindset?
My man, yes, I think my clients intomele I change ukuthi as soon as you start getting into the Forex industry, you need to understand ukuthi you are already taking the risk. You understand? So not good every time when a more subscriber comments or when you pay to a mentor, is success a guarantee. You understand? Guna 50-50 chances good you can succeed or you can still be a failing trade. Just like in a school, a teacher can explain one question, you understand, that to all of us, then only 4 people pass, then 10 year fail. You understand? And the little 10 may fail, so are my enemy. Because what I've noticed, most of my enemies are similar followers. I'm a student, you understand? because bazile bafuna ukutrader then it never work out for them.
Okay.
You understand? Then manje bazoqala ukublame.
Yeah.
You understand? I think like abantu mele bafake ile mentality ukuthi forex angali ngakubonisa ukuthi imali ngenza kanjani. But if now you don't put more effort then angeke upass. Uzofail. So I think into mele bay understand nabo ngokwabo. Ngifuna umuntu ajoine forex because ubone nemoto or nendlu. Then ba understand ukuthi hey la kuyadliwa la.
Okay.
Or la siya lose.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think abantu ababukele laba don't join forex because you wanna drive a M4 or you wanna drive a Porsche. Join forex to be financially free first. You can angeke uqale ukuthi ufuna ukudrive a Porsche while you are not even financially free. Mele baqale ngama baby steps. You understand? Don't rush to run ungakakhona crawl. You understand? Yeah, so I think ilokho.
Yeah, you guys had it first, yeah. Well, not first though, because Eazy has been talking about this. You always like going out and you always like talking, like you're always real though.
Yeah. Cause nakhona mfethu siyazama ukwenza ama seminars ukuexplainela abantu and abantu understand ukuthi if you are making a seminar ama cost abuya kithi.
Yeah.
You understand? Siyazama bese babone ngathi hayi thina sihlale sifuna imali zabo but thina imali zethu mesiphuma ukuthi siba explainele abaziboni lezo zinto lezo. You understand? Yeah, but I think nje abantu mele ba change mentality ye forex abaview forex ngakhona. I forex asumuntu, I forex I chart. You understand? Bangabheki mina babona Eazy Forex as a forex like as a forex platform. Angisi forex platform. Nami on my own I'm trying to take from the market. You understand? So if you believe in my vision, uzagimi, then we take together. If we lose, nami ngiyalose. Asukuthi angilose nina mingisendele signal. Siyalose song. You understand?
Yeah.
So injalo, that's why ngizamile nakhona kuza nale mentality ukuthi if I lose now post ama losses wami.
Okay.
So that's why iba difficult kuma mentors amanye because most of them into abayenzayo bathi buy and sell like in one platform. Then they only show ama profits kuphela. So manje nabo yabona say abanye sabayi adapt lento okuveza ama losses nje ukuthi abantu ba understand the forex ukuthi into enjani.
Yeah. So when it comes to actually looking at because you said you trade a 15 minutes and a 1 minute chart. Okay, so do fundamentals do you ever look at them long term? Or is it just a thing of like, hey, we are just trading LFP on Friday, I'm just focused on that, and then after that you're done? Or do you ever look long term?
Yeah, so fundamental ikhona long term trading of fundamental. But kwamanje I don't think ukuthi ngisafikile kuleyo level ukuthi ngitrade ama long terms.
Okay.
Because kwamanje I just wanna grow, ngifuna imali instantly. You understand? Akuze ngikhona ukukhula. Because obviously mase ngifike kubo like a dollar millionaire yangithola. So khona ukenza ama dollars in I mean khona ukenza ama millions in dollars.
Okay.
Yeah, lapho angeke ube nenkinga ukuthatha $60,000 utrade fundamental for the whole month because normally inflation may is a country inga affect i-currency for the whole entire month. So yeah. So ngayishama ama big lot sizes lapho uyeke for the whole month until maybe ama inflations abe better. Then that's all pull off. So a fundamental basically I think nakhona it gives ama technical traders a more direction but most of them baba ignorant. Babhizi bafuna ukudraw ama line kakhulu. You understand? And then most of ama trader man just get to draw line enhle lapha ama line a connectayo. You are a professional trader. Kanti next, there's no experience, my guy. There's more to forex than throwing up lines. Nah.
Yeah, that's true. That's actually quite true. Sure.
Experience counts, my man.
That is true. That is true. Okay, so let's talk about your first. Okay, so I've got just a few questions left. What's your first deposit? Do you remember your first deposit?
Oh my God, I don't remember my first deposit.
Yeah, first withdrawal?
First withdrawal, my guy, it was 250. Yeah, I remember. Yeah.
250 rand.
Yeah, 11. Yeah, but the same day, bezingekho ama Uber. There were no Ubers ngalezo inkathi.
Really? Is it a chicken liquor store?
Yeah. I think it was before 200.
Okay.
It was not delayed 200. The 200 I think nje ngibe ngayithatha ngithenga nje a few things nje endlini. But the actual withdrawal it was above like 2,000 rand. Yeah. Then I felt like a millionaire, my guy. Imagine if in all your life I was over 2,000 like like we experienced it for the first time. You understand? I withdraw. Mengqedwe withdraw. Bungana ma Uber bokusesana ma local guys. Should my angisamelanga ne local uthi gcwala ngathi driver asahambe. So patala onka ma empty seat. Ongishiya vele echikilikini ngafika ngathenga vele ichikilikini endlini ngalelo langa noma gogo sashaya ichikilikini waya
niphila soft
soft ilanga I understand ukuthi okay if forex kanti iphilisana kamnandi so I understand ila ke indaba ye soft life ngayiqala khona so abantu mayebona bayibheka ngathi mina ngibrekela bona kanti next lento ngayiqala from ngama 100 rand profit you understand
so you spoke about a political party No, like for real. What happened to that?
My guy,
politics.
The thing is, I want my students to be part of my political party. Manje the problem is abaningi abafuna ukwenza lento engibayenza. But there are few students who are performing, my guy. Because I don't want to promise people ukuthi I'll do this for you.
Okay.
Mele babone ngabantu laba babe under mina before ukuthi hey kuyasetshenzwa la. We have to have a political party represent ama forex trader nama hustlers nama entrepreneurs. Asinazo lezo zinto. Wonke ama political party it's one thing. You understand? Balwela bafuna iland bafuna asali land isasifuna but kwamanje abantu balambile kufuneka imali. You understand? And if we have a political party that can help people to make money, imagine Buffett. Le mali nesfas, imagine if bengena kuma trading account, but following the education. Ngibonile kule podcast yakho yenzile yini ama prop what
prop firm trading
ngibone ngabe ngasazazi lezo zinto because angisafollow kakhulu like into similar to le like abantu siba train sibabona ukuthi lo fit enough ukuthi angaba ne trainer
model basically ama prop firms basically
but the government the sponsor government
but I've heard somebody say I've seen a comments somebody say hey we safaki government la ayikuzoshuba government phela ama lootist ama professional lootist lawa
amara mfethi yafuneka mele kube nomuntu oyi-one represent ama forex traders because thina sesi classified as ama scam akekho umuntu osilwelayo so even nabo Julius angeke akulwele in terms of forex na uyibona ngathi hayi ngithothi yarbereki yabona because na maybe wazama yamshaya wangena waya kuma majita atsamfundise nawo still
bamscam
wabona ukuthi hayi bereki nto yabona kanti next kuthi nje sometimes I think abantu ba portray forex trader ngama followers or ngama likes or you understand and next umuntu ndoda angaba umaster angabi na anything in life but abe ne knowledge yokumaster forex
with I'd like to believe with ama fundamentals obviously you're only trading a few times less times than a technical trader dependent obviously if it's a day trader swing trader you trade probably less times than them so what has been your biggest loss that you've taken? And it doesn't have to be particularly a monetary term, so I don't want you to be like if that was your biggest loss mara yang thola ukuthi ngibuya mara I loss uyifeel ukuthi hayi la no I lose something
yabona iloss engayifeel and the biggest loss was the time COVID so lapha fundamental being achieved like basically so each and every time ngiya trade into their south so lapha there were times good I had to sell one of my cars ukuthi ngibuye egamini ngizama ukufunda account yami so that was the biggest loss I ever faced in my life but in terms of trade nje since ngiqale kuba profitable from 2019 I don't think king upload like account ngaba completely empty nje iqale nje manje ngesikhathi seCovid kude kubeka abanzima lapha
Yeah. And then what's your... I feel like as a fundamental trader, all your trades are crazy. Because like you said, 10 seconds, you can change your life in 10 seconds. Yeah.
But my guy, remember, ngales katse COVID.
Yeah.
Yes. Like, there's thing you notice, like, more cool as umuntu nama expense wakho ne lifestyle iba too high. Yabona umuntu ongaka experience ama expense 100,000 a month mozomtshela uzobona ukuthi awumosha imali yahlanya. Kanti stage mfethu like success in ama stages. You understand? So if a month ngijwayele ukuyenza 300,000 and it happens ukuthi manje angisayenzi for call. You understand? So kuba tough. And bokule era le yani ye COVID lapha bokushubila.
Client.
Wokushubile but angazama ngabuye egamini sengimnande ngina stress futhi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nah, that's great.
After breakthrough net 5 minutes. Ne?
Yeah, no, go into it.
Like mengenza imali, the first thing I bought in Uber car. Boxese taxify lapho.
Okay.
So I bought the taxify, then ngayenza imali ngipush.
Okay, can I ask the technical questions? We take cash.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, you know why I'm asking? Because you know a lot of people tend to come out and say, "What's about taking my e-motor cash, mara by sharing a finance." Yeah, again, and that's why I'm asking those technical questions. Yeah. Okay.
We bought man, Toyota Corolla.
Oh yeah.
That was my first car.
Okay.
You understand? Ngathenga leyo car, after getting the profit here forex.
Yeah.
Because being na lento ukuthi kunama risk involved. So ngizama a side business.
Yeah.
Ngadriver vele I taxify akanti ngizibusele emuva life in. Hayi lento leyano tabe ngisebenza ngaboni next.
Yo.
Ngapha ngiluze focus yokutrade into ezinjalo ila njengoba ngisho ukuthi there was a time la ngiselling $19 ngiphethe nale moto yangithola and ngimeli request egarage ibokuyi NZD interest rate ngathi full lot sizes kunto ngasha $300 same day
sure
ngacima iApp yeBolt ngayidelete ngathi no more ngathi angisabuyeli la then same week ang withdrawanga then ngathatha $300 I used 5 lot sizes then there ngai risk yonke ngayenza close to $3,000 in just a second.
Yeah, but how do you calculate what? Because you know what, I think the part about fundamentals in Shayayo is calculating the lot sizes that you're going to use on an account. Because I'll tell you one thing, I can find an account with, let's say 2,000.
Yeah.
Obviously, you need to find out ukuthi full manjani and like yeah.
Because indaba izothatha isikhathi mara ngizozama ukuyidonsa.
Let's go in.
Yeah. Bheka kunalento abayibiza ukuthi leverage ne.
Yes.
Ku leverage kuyadependa ukuthi like usebenzisa which leverage. Normally go fundamental mele usebenzise 1:1000.
Okay.
Or 1:2000.
Yeah, so you need a broker that offers 1:1000, 1:2000.
Yeah.
Guys, XM, by the way, 1:1000 leverage. Please, link in the description. Yeah.
So, it's an example. Mothenga in like investment abantu like believer kuyo.
Investment that people believe in a property.
Yeah. Okay, just like a property guy for an example.
Yeah.
A property na in a leverage in a way.
Yes.
Ne? Like let's say property it's 100,000.
Yeah.
We're telling 100,000. It's 1:1 leverage kanjalo.
Yes.
You understand? Awukhona ukuthenga inye property ngale leverage onayo. So manje ama broker into yenza mabathi 1:1000. Bakunika like nge-1,000 ungakhona ukutrade ku market ye-100,000. So into esiyenzayo le.
Okay.
So mofaka 1,000 uyazi ukuthi there's a higher chances ukuthi uwenze about 10,000 about 20,000 depending ku leverage oyisebenzisayo. So ufaka 1,000 and if it's 1:1000 every $100 it's one lot size. So kuba i1 2 3 4 5 kanjalo. So ungasebenzisa 10 lot size. 10 lot sizes ku 1,000 and imagine if indaba besishifta like before njenge NZD phela NZD beyingashifta nga 1,000 pips so uyoyenza 1,000 more le mali uyiriskile.
Yes.
So with just 1,000 uyenza $10,000. So i-account yakho in total ingaba $11,000 or $12,000 depending ukuthi indaba sishifte kanjani. But normally manje imove 50 pips. So normally you can make $500 from from $100. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, sorry, finish up what you were saying. Sorry, I kind of interrupted because I just you sold the car, the 5 year.
Yeah, so after lapo mengiceda ukuthatha le $19 ngathi inla ngithi ngicima vele app.
Yeah.
Then bokuyini NFP the following Friday yakhona. Then ngathi bengisebenzisa 1:2000 i-leverage. Lapha vele if imove nje kancane abe ngiyoblow ngathi 5 lot sizes. Beng over leverage ake lapho. No leverage then over leverage.
Disclaimer niyezwa.
Yeah. Nga over leverage vele bese ngiplanile ukuthi hayi la. Mara sometimes khawubona kunale ndaba usifilayo ukuthi hayi this is the one. Angayibamba imali ya float yathi boma $3,000 ngavala lapho ke. That's where ke yonke into yaqala khona.
Okay.
Bokusese imali close to 50,000. That's why I made like close to 50,000. Futhi ngathi I no more manje.
Okay.
Ngaspana ngaphusha then that's where abantu baqala ukungazi because there was a time la ngariska i100,000 angayibamba nayo ila sengicala ukudlala ngama big lot sizes after lapho. Yeah, then ngayenzeka same year ngathenga boma 3 cars then following na ngayibona ikhulu ngathi lezi nja zenza imali kanje kanti because lapho I was not selling anything lapho I was just trading straight.
Okay.
I started ukusela kahle like abantu saba demand ukuthi hey so yeah.
Okay.
Then angathi thina ngithengise ke.
Yeah.
That's why I started selling.
Yeah. Okay, no, perfect. No, Eazy, thank you so much. I think today's conversation I see it touches into eziningi.
Yeah.
Blind, and I think a lot of people will learn from this. Ish. Guys, Eazy thingisi hot sauce.
Sengikhohliwe ndoda.
Can you bring that hot sauce?
Okay. Ile Nando's yini chikiliki. I thought bashota ngesauce emnandi but hayi sekhona.
Yeah.
Nayo afethu it's fat free free because nami sengiyehlisile because lento trader le can you wait why. Yeah guys, so this is the sauce. If you are interested in the sauce, unga check page lam. And then akhona I only created this sauce or partnered with this sauce because I also want to create employment for abantu abaningi. So ngisazoyibuilda ukuthi sibe nama distributors across the country. I mean across the countries ukuthi nabo bazama ukufunda ama accounts wabo mabaceda ukuthengisa le sauce. So angisafuni ma excuse ukuthi awuna mali ukutrader. Mongana mali ukutrader uzothengisa sauce. Yeah.
No, shout out guys. Guys, so if you guys looking for sauce right now, you hit up Eazy. It's in
Oh yeah.
The sauce over here. You guys can hit up Eazy for that. He didn't come here to sell signals. He didn't come here to sell course. But to find his sauce.
Yeah. And again, ngitshela ma yini? The last question.
Advice. Just advice. My advice. People who want to be mentors. Yeah.
My mentor.
Yeah, who want to be mentors. Because it
people
seems like
who want to be mentors.
Go by mentor, trend.
Yeah. Guys, if you want to be a mentor, do not buy a Golf 7. Have Forex knowledge, simple.
Yeah.
And teach people what is real.
Yeah.
And understand the champagne, girls, whatever. That's not Forex buffet. People need to understand what is the chart and teach people what is real. Don't be fake. Backzonda. Look broke to them, knowing good when you are rich in knowledge. Thank you.
Danko Forex. Thank you, Eazy Forex, Minister of Soft Life, King of Fundamentals. No, thank you so much for today, and thank you for coming out and appreciate your time as well.
Yeah. I'm not stressed, jam. Now uqhubeka ngomsebenzi omuhle. And hamarai asiyeke. Ngithi hayi akuna stress. Jam uphushe ubaletha ama forex trader babe nama views wabo. Yeah.
No, sibonga. No, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sitting here with Eazy Forex right here. Guys, thank you guys so much. This was another installment of Market Masters. Please, big shout out to XM for sponsoring Top Trader SA. All the shows you guys know, it's Sila, on. We're here. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we out.
Danko.